Hello everyone, I am Madhubala from JarvisLabs.ai. Today we are going to explore the newly added framework Axolotl. So what is Axolotl? Axolotl is a framework that will simplify the fine-tuning the large language models in a simpler way. So using that we can fine-tune various models like Llama, Mistral, Falcon and recent models like Yaml. So let's see how to fine-tune a model using the Axolotl on JarvisLabs.ai. We can navigate to JarvisLabs.ai. Here you can see the list of frameworks. So you need to choose the Axolotl and you can choose the preferred GPU type. So I am going to choose the RTX 6000 ADA. You can also customize the storage and you can click the launch instance to create an instance on Axolotl. It may take some time to create. Once the instance is created, you can find the link for the endpoint and you can also access the Jupyter notebook. Let's wait. The instance is created now, so we can navigate to Jupyter notebook. Here the Axolotl is already downloaded, so we can directly go to the Axolotl directory. The Axolotl gave some example models. Let's see what are the models which are given by them. These are the models which are given by the Axolotl. So I am going to use the Open Llama 3B. For the demo purpose, I am going to customize the YAML file. For customize my data set to the 2K line, you can use a million line data sets. I'm going to use the LoRa YAML file. So here we can change the dataset path. Okay, let's change the path. So I'm going to use the alpaca 2K test, that is a 2K lines of data sets. So let's save. So now we can launch the fine tuning the model using the command which is given by the Axolotl in their official site. So let's get that command from the GitHub repo. Here is the command, so we can use that to launch. So now we can launch. So it may take some time to load the data, so we need to wait.
A few minutes later.
So now we can inference it by using the Gradio. For that we need to get the command from the Axolotl website. So here is the command. So now we need to get that command and paste here. And I'm going to use the 6006 port because in JarvisLabs.ai we are using the 6006 port for accessing the endpoint. So I am used the 6006 port. Now we can launch it. Yeah, it is run successfully. We can get that access for the endpoint now. Yeah, here we can ask some random questions like give me some 3 tips. Healthy. Let's see how it is answering to the question. Yeah, it gave some nice tips to being healthy. So this is how the overall process for fine tuning the model using the Axolotl in JarvisLabs.ai. If you have any further questions, you can comment in the video, and if you find it useful, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.